Hey, welcome to another Be Informed. Today, we're going to be talking about dribbling with our feet. When we dribble with our feet, we want to use most of the time the inside of our shoe or the inside of our foot. That helps a lot being able to dribble properly. There are 4 parts to dribbling properly, and I'll tell you what they are right now. Number 1 and number 2 kind of go hand in hand. 1, you want to keep the object close to your body, and 2, you want to keep your object under control. What that means is as I'm dribbling, I'm not losing the ball. That way no one can steal it from me, and that way it doesn't get away from me. I keep it close to my body and under control. The third thing that you want to do when you're dribbling is you want to use both feet. I can't use just one foot or the other. I want to use both feet, moving the ball back and forth between them. The last thing that you really want to focus on, and this is often one of the hardest ones, is you want to keep your eyes up. I need to be able to see where I'm going. When I'm dribbling, that helps me avoid other people and avoid any sort of hazard that is in my way. So as I dribble, I want to use both feet. I want to keep my eyes up. I want to be under control, and I want to keep that object close to me. I hope you try this at home. See you next time.